Forex can really be stressful sometimes, man. But when you're winning, yeah, it's not that stressful. So, guys, Euro USD, I've been on this trade trying to look for sell positions from last week. You know, making my sales price stops me out. You know, making sales entry stops me out. So yesterday it decided to move, but then let me take you through. Let me take you through. I'll rewind this before anything. Okay, so this is how price was looking at like, and as usual, let me maybe brush this. You can see, of course, this is how the market is. Basically, we are in an uptrend. You can see higher, low, higher, low. But then when we talk about how price approaches a support or a resistance, those are the things that you should be looking out for. And if you understand such patterns, then now trading will be that easy. So, and I did see that, okay, somehow there's this level right here. There's this level right here. So that just called for my attention from last week and say, okay, this is looking nice for sales. At the same time, we have another confluence. This might be, let me just show you this. This might be a left shoulder. This is the head, right shoulder before we go down. Yes. So when doing my analysis yesterday, I was like, okay, let me remove this. I was like, okay, somehow price is taking out this level right here, this trend line. Okay, this is how my trend line was. So then let's see what the market did. So I was looking for a sales position, same as NZUSD. Yo, so let's see. Now coming to this, I saw, okay, there's this type of a reversal. That's a double top. All right, if we have a double top, then now that's just like an impulse. I'm looking for a continuation or a correction, and if it breaks, we take our sell position. So let me go back to the 15. All right. Okay, so like you see, guys, this is how the market did. That's like a continuation pattern. Okay, if this is the case, this is it. Now if I get a break at the 1 hour and I execute, all right, price did its thing, and yes, boom, that is it. So the moment that happened, I entered my sell position, and of course stop loss above this level right here. Let me zoom. You see where my stop loss was. This was quite tight, you know. So I did not give out this signal because, you know, this was a risk entry. I did not want my crew, maybe if I got a loss, I did not want them to get a loss too. So my anticipation is that price will go and test this level right here, this sub level around of 401 pips. So price just did its thing as usual. So it went on. I left this to play out overnight. So now when I came back, guys, I just realized that, yo, there's something that I missed somehow. I missed out something. So let me just do this. Just a minute. Before that, so I realized that, okay, yes, price moved. So I'll remove this. I came back and reanalyze my market, guys. Okay, so now taking this level, then I clone this. You know, I do evolve, guys. I like evolving. I won't lie, I like evolving. So maybe something like this. So let me just now hit the 1 hour. Okay, like you see now, price did its thing. Price did its thing. Sorry. Okay. All right. So now, if you see that we have kind of a touch, we have touches in respect to this trend line. That is why I said that I evolved. Okay, we have a touch right here. Let me bring it. We have a touch right here. We also have a touch right here, and also now this level right here. So somehow, okay, it just showed me that some of this market has not taken out this trend. Okay, that's our support level. So that is why I expect that I need a correction. That's why you see I have this type of a play. So somehow price has given me like 71 pips, you know, 71 pips, which is not bad. So I'll close that, but at the same time, I'm anticipating that this market might go back to retest this level that it did break. It just broke, and if you understand price action, we won't just see that market goes all the way down or all the way up. We need the market to give us correction. So I'm anticipating this is just an impulse, and after an impulse I'm expecting this type of a play correction. That is when it's confirmed, gang, that now we should take our swing and hold our position all the way down. At the same time, I believe it's either today or tomorrow US has news, so hold on to this now that we're on a support level, same as NZD USD. They have the same patterns. I can tell you this now. Last week, as usual, okay, this is left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, so I'm just anticipating that type of a drop. And now, of course, I sent this signal to my VIP. I believe I also gave the public. Okay, now in respect to this type of a play, guys, I say, okay, this market is giving me another continuation pattern right here, because I believe that this is an impulse, a correction. Now if it breaks, we expect that kind of a play. So price did this thing. Let me just take you, and I'll take you back when I did make my sell position. Then market took us out, basically. Okay, now the price did this. So now when I saw, okay, now somehow price giving me a continuation pattern right here. This was an area of interest. I said, okay, this might be an impulse, and now all this is a correction, and if it breaks, I'm taking my sell position. This level right here, and I believe it broke here. This is not the hourly, so I took a sell as usual, right? Stop loss above. I believe I have a video saying that my stop loss was around that zone. Then I adjusted my stop loss to 18 pips, so that price at least takes me out early enough, because I did not like the type of play. So as usual, this was the first target right here. That is last week. This was the first target. Now let me just show you the madness that this market did. Price did this, gave us small pips, amount of pips, like let me see, 12 pips. Now took us out. Boom. See how crazy it is. But then you come back and realize that somehow we made our entry when the market was still in a ranging form. So the best place was just to wait for this price to maybe take out this low, maybe create a new lower low, then go back. Now if it breaks, that is when we should have taken a sell position. So let's see. It did that. Now you see it's back at that ranging thing. Now price is doing its madness, you see. Went back, so something like that. So that, I believe, was the best place. I should have taken that buy if I saw this, but I ignored because I was concentrating on euro yesterday. So maybe something like this, and now that is the right time I was supposed to do this. And let's see. Oh, come on. So you see, it's crazy. See, and now that is the current price. So if we was on this, we could have still, we lost 18 pips. But now you see, if we took that sell also, right now we could have been up like 62 pips. So 18 could have not counted. But there's no problem. We learn from mistakes, guys. All right. Like I said, the reason why we took this sell position is that price was still in a ranging form, okay? And we were not supposed to make an entry inside this box. So we were just supposed to wait for a break, make price give us a retest or a correction. Now, if price took that, or took the low level right here, then that is where we should have made our sell position. And you see, it makes sense though. It makes sense because this is just another continuation pattern. All right, because like I said, price won't just move down or up all the way. It has to breathe. This is a impulse correction. Now after correction, we expect an impulse, and if you take this level from here till here, you'll see that it kind of makes sense. You see, it's that simple. So that's it, and I believe I helped you, gang. There's no problem. So even if we lose, we go back and revise. It's GBP USD. I missed on that fall. I missed GBP USD. But then, I never wanted to take entries because now that will be dangerous. Remember, you're taking GBP USD, you're taking Euro USD and NZ USD. They both have dollars, so in case there's something wrong, all of those will turn to losses. So that's why I only took Euro USD, which was clean. So right now I'm waiting for a pullback on GBP USD. You see, this is the type of play that I'm anticipating. Maybe a retest in respect to this level that was broken. Okay, now if I get a reversal right there, that is when I'm going in for swings. Okay, those were just like scalping. 60 pips for me was scalping, so I'm going for swings when I get those types of play. Guys, check out my Telegram channel, link in the description. If you want to get funded, link in the description. I have two Profam, the Forex Funder and the Funded Trader program, link in the description. You might get a discount when you use my links. Okay, and do not be scammed. There's a guy on Telegram scamming people. I don't trade for anybody, guys. I don't do any investment package. I won't text you guys. The guy has more than 1,000 subscribers on Telegram. I have like 252, I believe so. So yeah, the links are in the description. So adios, mi amigos, peace.